A lot of people are new to crypto and blockchain, and one of the questions people ask always first is, how do I even buy crypto? Where do I buy the cryptos? And what you need to understand is that you buy and sell cryptos at what they call exchanges, and there are many exchanges that you can use. I'm going to show you an example of one of the greatest, largest exchanges in the world. It's called Binance. I'm going to show you how easy it is to register, tell you something about the KYC process, and show you some features of this exchange. When you're located in the United States, you cannot use Binance. There is Binance.us, but it doesn't have that many coins and doesn't have that many trades. So for people in the United States, the best exchange to choose is Kraken. And it's also a major exchange with a lot of options and possibilities. So if you go to the website www.binance.com, then you see the button register here in the top right screen. You click on it, and then it asks you what your email is, and it asks you to make password. And you can do this on your cell phone, you can do this on the computer. And what you see is that you create a free account, so you don't have to pay for this account. If you do this, then you have to understand that they have strict regulations, just as banks and other financial institutions have. So they will ask you for a proof of your ID, a proof of address, to make sure that you're a real person and that they can verify your identity. But it will all show up when you fill in your email address, you choose a password, it will send you a mail to confirm your mail address. Then it will create your account, and then it will ask you to send in the documents for the KYC process. It's not that complicated. Make sure that when you register and it asks you for your name, that you always use the name that is on your ID, because they will check that when they do the verification of the ID. In this case, you just start with an email and a password, but if there is a screen where you have to fill in your details, be sure to use the name that is on your ID. So I'm going to put this one away. This is the special program I have, which comes up when I'm in a financial website, so it's not necessary now because I'm not going to show you any details. Then if you made an account and your KYC verified, then you can use all the services of this account. But how do you buy the coins then? Well, I'm going to show you in my own account. I'm going to this browser. Here you have also Binance. This is my account. And the first thing you do when you want to buy crypto is you go to this option, buy crypto. Here it says euro because I'm in the Netherlands, but you can change this, of course. And you can buy your cryptos using a bank deposit feature, or you can do it using a credit or a debit card. Well, let me show this option so you can see how easy and how simple it is. If I click on this one, it will show me the screen where it asks me the amount of money I want to spend in euros, or maybe in dollars, in all kind of currencies. You can do this. I can change this to USD. It's no problem. And then you can tell the system what kind of coin you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy Bitcoin. Well, then I'm going to say I want to spend $200. And it tells me that I will get this amount of Bitcoin. And of course, this is because Bitcoin has a really high value. As you can see here, it's more than $50,000. But if I choose a coin which is way cheaper, let's say ADA or Polkadot, let's choose Polkadot, then you see that you will get 5.42 dots, and dot is $36. So that way you can choose which coin you want to buy, and that's the start of your account. And when you have bought this and have paid this with your credit card or using a bank transfer, They will put it into your wallet, and there you can see the amount of coins that you have. Okay, this is the start. If you want to buy crypto coins, if you want to make the first steps in crypto, this is how you should start. Make an account at an exchange. Use the fiat money, dollars, euros, whatever, to buy some coins, and then you have your first crypto assets, and you can watch them grow and see for yourself if you want to invest in other coins. Of course, the most important thing is to decide which coin is the most interesting one to buy. This is one of the topics we discuss every week on Tuesday, 7:30 p.m. Central European Time in our weekly Crypto and Blockchain Basics Zoom call. So now you know how to buy. If you want to know what to buy, which coin to buy, please join our Zoom calls, our weekly Zoom calls on Tuesday, and then you can learn a lot about making the right decisions and choosing the right coins. Thanks for watching this. Hope this will help you on your first steps on your crypto journey. Have a great day. Bye bye.